14th President na kinikilala po natin na si Fernando Poe Jr.
Fernando Poe Jr. died 10 years ago today, December 14. Here in his tomb, the family leads a ceremony to remember the man many believe should have been president instead of Gloria Arroyo.
Siyempre, hindi ako makapaniwala na 10 taon na pala nakalipas. Ako'y nagpapasalamat sa ating mga kababayan sa patuloy nilang pag-alala kay FPJ.
A lot of things happened in the last 10 years. Arroyo is now detained at the Veterans Hospital. His daughter was elected senator and in a twist of fate finds herself among the leading contenders to the 2016 presidential elections.
Siguro ang sasabihin ng tatay ko sa akin ay maging sincero sa anuman gagawin ko, magpakatotoo, kung ito ba'y makakayanan ko. Pangalawa, ang sasabihin niya talaga, ang desisyon mo ay hindi para sa sarili mo, kung hindi, ang ikabubuti ng mas nakararami.
I'd like to thank everybody who supported my daughter in the last elections. She's trying her best to be deserving of the support that was given her. I hope she lives up to everybody's expectations. Beyond that, I do not wish to comment.
There's a call for Senator Grace Poe to finish what her father started. Between now and next year, all eyes are on her to see if she will take the challenge. Carmela Fonbuena, Rappler, Manila.